Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a Huobi wallet account or a HTX wallet account. It's the same thing. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch in a browser of your choice. Currently I'm using Chrome, and go ahead and locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar type htx.com and it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage, that we have in here. Okay, so now you can trade crypto only on HTX. Let's quickly run through what HTX is about before we hop into the tags. HTX is a leading crypto exchange platform. It is one of the world's biggest Bitcoin exchanges and altcoin crypto exchanges. You can buy BTC, ETH, HT, and more on HTX. Now, if you want to create an account from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the sign up button. So go ahead and click on the sign up button. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the sign up page so we can go through the processes to register. It's coming right up. So this right here is the registration window. You have this, welcome to HTX. You can register via email or phone number, or you can register via Google or Telegram. So I'm going to use Google because I think this is just pretty much easier for me. So you can click on Google, or you can use any of those options by email. You can put in your email and put in your password, or use Telegram, or use your phone number. That's just pretty much the process. So I'm choosing to use Google by clicking on the Google icon. So I have to choose this account, which is right here to proceed, or you can use another account if you want to. So I'm going to click on this account. As you can see, it's not a real account. It was just created for this purpose. So you have the cancel and the continue button. That's by continuing, it means you agree to Google's terms and conditions. So I'm going to click on this continue button, and that's it. My account on HTX Huobi will be created. So HTX prides itself as the leading global digital asset exchange, and that's a big flex, you know. So it's creating an account for me. Let's just go through the process together. All right. Okay, so you have this, create or bind a HTX account. So you can either create a HTX account or bind an existing HTX account. So you can click on this or bind an existing. So we don't have an existing, so we're creating from scratch. Let's click on that. So it says welcome to HTX. Register and bind. So we're going to enter this email. Okay, at gmail.com, and register and bind. So if you have a referral code, you can put this in, but if you do not, just leave it out. It's optional. Slide to complete the puzzle. Okay. So I think that's cool there. So we have to go to the email created for this account to okay. I'm going to look for the verification code. Now let's type in the code. Here we have the code 980489. 980489. set a password to secure your account. All right, so this actually created for the sole purpose of teaching this tutorial, real accounts. So waiting for it to take us in. Ta-da! I have this congratulatory mail. It says you are this user and this and this and this. Download the app to get more rewards. I don't want that. I can click XXXXX. You just save that. So my account has been successfully created on HTX. So you have to successfully signed up. Thank you for your trust in HTX station. So you can see deposit crypto to your account, and you have this option like welcome bonus up to 241 U. That's pretty a very cool one. So I'm just gonna have to refresh this page because I don't know why I'm seeing this login and sign up button right here because it's supposed to show. But that's pretty much it. So you can see successfully signed up. Just follow through with the processes and that will be it. So that's it. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. This is how to create an account on Huobi. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.